How you doing, guys? It's Eddie, aka Mr. Transaction Engineer. I'm coming to talk to you guys today about a very, very, very important formula, which is the Mayo formula, maximum allowed offer. You as a wholesaler, you need to know this formula so you can know where your profit margin is. You as a rehabber, you definitely need to know this formula so you can make sure you don't get caught behind the 8 ball and stuck with a rental property instead of a property that you can flip and make some cash on. Let's get to the money. So we got the maximum allowed offer. The first thing you need to know is your after repair value. You don't want nothing that's just painted carpet. You want something that's been totally renovated, totally rehabbed for your ARV. So you got your after repair value, which times 70% minus repairs. And so we go by 70% because we leave 20% room for profit, another 10 for miscellaneous closing costs, anything that may come up during the rehab. So that will keep you covered. Make sure you stick with these numbers. You won't lose. So we got 100,000. This is our example. We got 100,000 times 70% minus 20,000. That'll give you $50,000, guys. For a property that's worth 100,000, you do not want to pay more than 50,000 for this property, and they need 20,000 in repairs. If you do, it could cost you your real estate career. So, and as a wholesaler, you definitely want to be under this 50,000 because this is the most you'll be able to sell it to your rehabber for, and they may want a little negotiation room. So, you want to get your seller down as a wholesaler as low as possible. Me personally, I don't like to make no less than 10,000 per deal, but to each his own. So if it was me, I would come at the seller at about 30,000 because I love to make 20. That's a nice check. I'll come at them about 30,000. You want to be fair. You don't want to just beat the seller over the head. Come at about 30,000. Negotiate in between, somewhere you meet up. Just say we come in at 40,000. Then we have $10,000 profit. We sell it for 50. If we come in at 30,000, that's 20,000. That's a good payday. I love those checks. So, as a wholesaler, you definitely want to know those numbers, and as a rehabber, you definitely want to know this number. Please rewind this video several times. I highly recommend you guys know this formula. Replay this video. Watch it several times, especially if you're rehabbing, because you do not want to get caught up and stuck with the property. So do your homework, guys. Make sure you know your repair, your after repair value, and you won't lose. To your success. Peace.